Hello, welcome to Top Trading Edge. Today, 20th December, Tuesday, and let's take a look at the market conditions, see what market did today, and let's see what looks like for upcoming days. So, like today, as we can see right here, yesterday, what I actually let's go and rewind what I said yesterday, so we can understand. I made the video yesterday to 90th December, right here. Right here around 376 area. That's our support, right? 376. Remember. Also do expect, because last 5 days we have been selling out right here, right? Fast days. So maybe this could be support a little bit here, this supply we could create. So maybe out of next 8 days, we could be 1 or 2 days to be bullish also. Could be sideways, could be bullish, could be doji candle, could be anything. So do expect. Nobody knows when that could happen. But all right, so this is what I was talking about. That remember support right here. So right here, let me show you in 30-minute support. Remember, market touch in pre-market support and bounce, reverse a little bit right here. You see this? So that's your divergence for short term. Okay, this is 30-minute chart, it's not a daily chart. So divergence means this is 30 minutes, not daily divergence. Okay, so what does it mean? So all the bears are sitting right here, going shorting right here. Now little bit bounce, so all the bears, they're getting excited, but we bounce from the support, and I mentioned about earlier that too. So last 5 days, you can see all this video what I'm making, little bit bounce, but I do expect toilet flush some point of time. I don't know which day would be. Could be this week, could be Friday, because Friday option expiry. But at the end, there's a lot more selling pressure is on, because it's billions and billions of dollar sell spending. Right? But when that would happen, but yes, absolutely, there's a lot more pressure is downward. But one thing I want to explain you see the demand and supply right here. So we have a huge supply last few days, right? And remember I mentioned about the demand right here. So market is trying to create the demand from here. If that demand sustain or not, we need to find the market buyer. If that, now the next supply zone is right here. See that? So market created demand, trying to go to the next level right here, which is around 385. So what do you mean by 385? If you take a look at the daily chart, boom, 50-day moving average 386. That's your 50-day moving average resistance. So maybe market tomorrow, or maybe day after tomorrow. This is something like that we could try to make all the bulls happy. And then Friday option expiry, remember, right? So something like that, you expect something, right? So, well, that's what I can see right now here in terms of the bulls and bear zone. I would more focus on option expiry, when the option expiries, and before that. So do expect a little bit here and there to watch out everybody, bulls and bear, all the bearish scenario. That's what I can see right now here. And then other than that, we can take a look at the Bitcoin. Bitcoin is still right there at the same area, which is 16,800. So I'm not every day looking into that. It's just right in the middle, where middle in between the triangle. Resistance is here, support is here, and compressing at around $17,000. That's what the Bitcoin look like. Let me take a look at the US oil treasury yield right here. So the yields are all right. So yield, as you can see, little bit rising up. Short term, long terms are rising up. That's, you see this yield is back in a driver's seat. Whenever the yield rises in a driver's seat, very, very bad for the market. Remember that. Okay. All right. So let me look at the TLT. Wow, TLT selling off right here. TLT selling off. Yep, absolutely. So there is something is cooking underneath. You got to watch out. Oil is still compressing around $75-76. Okay, that's what it look like. Let's take a look at the VIX. VIX was completely selling off last few days, despite market was flushing. So VIX is, there is no much volatility going on in the market because of the either the new year and the Christmas coming in. That could be one of the reason, holidays coming in. That's why no volatility. So volatility is dying down now. No event, no FOMC meetings, nothing. So you can expect the volatility and not too much up and down. It's just compressing out here. Okay. That's what I can see here. Yep. And then let me see DEC dollar. Today dollar was, still is 104 right there. But Japan yen, remember yesterday I made the video about the Japan yen. So USD JPY, yep, that is also still yep. So this is, hold on, USD JPY, yep, now it's coming little bit back up. Okay, so that is all right. So all right, so right now we don't have much going on in the market cap, folks. It's all very well controlled. But only thing, the Tesla, remember Tesla, a lot of bears are sitting. The I was today, remember guys, I mentioned about my price target for Tesla, that we're gonna touch this price. These are the price which I've been talking about long time, right here, 325, and I said, hey, we could go to this, but I was expecting by 2023. I did not expect that we could do that fast. But the way we were trading, I announced these guys, folks, over here. Those who are committed, recorded, you can see all these videos recorded on September, October, right here. And that time I said, hey, market is, I remember September market was going down and the Tesla was going up. I said, yep, Tesla saw a lot of demand created and the supply was less, so the price was going up and up and up. And then market was going, Tesla started breaking the support line, and then I announced that, hey, there's a lot of bearishness right there. Supply started. Since then, constant selling. So people were buying. People do not know what is demand and supply is, and they think, oh, this is the support, let's go and buy. No knowledge about demand and supply. Supply is tremendous coming in. So it's same thing apply here. It's a lot of supply here. Look at that. Sell off, and people were loading up at the $200. Oh, the Tesla is a good buy, but do not understand that. So same thing here also. Right now what happening is the supply is the demand around here at 130. So still Tesla could go and test this is the supply, this is the demand here for the market to generate. If the there might be some demand around 133, 134 area right here. This is this area right here, you follow. So that we need to wait and see what happens. If that demands create and probably take it off or not. So I would be waiting around here 130, this area between 130 to 134 area right here. Okay, so that's what Tesla I will think about it. Other than that, right now there's a lot of pressure. So if any, remember folks, everybody think let me go and buy, right? Short term, long term option, these, that. Market maker knows how many people are going to load all these options weekly, 6 months, 2 months. Folks, you got to remember this. The market maker knows the smart game. Everybody think let's keep buying calls or 2 months, 3 months. They exactly know how to compress this for long enough and then collect the premium. Okay, so that's what I think right now. There's a lot more. The knife is falling. Do you see anywhere compression here? Do you see? Look here also, knife falling, trying to bounce, rejection, trying to support, trying to bounce, rejection. Same thing here. We don't see anything bounce. So if anybody wants to jump in and say, I want to just go and buy, that's not how it works, folks. You got to understand, be a smart, don't try to be a dummy, just like run and chase and then get burned like any other stocks, right? Look at the Amazon, look at the PayPal, look at the Meta, right? Everything like that. So all together, I'm gonna make a video, guys, on weekend about Tesla. But as for me, I would not jump in any bandwagon here, even though even gives you better looks like cheaper price. No, I would not jump in this kind of bandwagon. Okay, that's what I think. Is up to you guys. You have to do your homework. That's the most important part. All right, so guys, see you tomorrow morning. We are every day, folks, live. We are live. Top Trading Edge Academy is every day live, morning 9:30 to 4 p.m. Join. Is free. Most important part is free, guys. We are rocking. See all these things, guys. Everything what we do is every day live. So if you wanted to know all this information early, please join the community. It's free of charge. All right. So see you tomorrow morning 9:30. Thanks. Bye.